What are some effective investment strategies for people who are looking to invest in the digital native assets?
Start small, stay humble.
Number one.
What does it mean starting small? 3 assets in the digital landscape account for 76% of the total market capitalization.
And what are those? 3?
Bitcoin, Ethereum, and digital dollar.
Amazing.
It's a maturing asset class. So you have all these meme coins that are super interesting. There's a reason why institutions are starting with Bitcoin, then Ethereum, and then effectively tokenized money market funds or digital dollar, because those are the ones that are best understood. That'll give you the most opportunity to deeply understand what's actually happening. How do they differentiate? How do they make money? What do you expect these things to do over time? Learning from the volatility that you mentioned earlier in the conversation, which is super important. Managing that volatility and maybe a broader portfolio. I think that's a natural place to start.
When you talk about real world assets, right? How does it fit into a diversified portfolio?
The real world asset market is it's too immature. So the only real thing you can do in real world assets today from a portfolio construct is to be long the dollar. In one way, long the dollar.
Loan the dollar.
Long. Yeah.
Long.
Yeah. Be own dollars.
Okay.
Right. So you can own dollars either through stablecoin, or you can own dollars through the next most successful asset, which is taken off this year, which is tokenized treasury bills. So you can do those. You can do those two things fairly easily. But if you think of it in the context of the future, the solution that digital brings to an investor as they start thinking about their portfolio construction is a specialized solution to you, which is very, very different from today. Today, you look at a screen and there are a million different choices to select. Now imagine a world where all of these assets get on chain, and then I'm creating a desired portfolio by words. I say, I think inflation is going to be very high and I want inflation protection. And through all these natively digital assets or tokenized assets, a portfolio is presented to me as a potential solution to that problem. Right. And I can look at the analytics of that portfolio, whatever it may be. And that portfolio may include tokenized real estate. It may include an emerging market bond. It may include all sorts of things that may not have been obvious to me as an investor. So I think that future, the more assets we bring on chain, we consider specialized solutions we can deliver to an individual person that gives them more control over their finances.